Welcome in. So this is the unboxing of the Live Gamer 3 Extreme capture card from Aver Media. 4K capture card, plug and play, nice and simple. Looking forward to opening this for you. See what you guys think. Let's get it open. Ooh, so tiny. So tiny, look. I mean, I've quite big hands anyway, but HDMI cable always comes in handy. I mean, I have tons, but it always comes in handy. Power cable. Some cards about needing assistance. That's really cool. And our quick start guide. I mean, it's plug and play, so it should be pretty self-explanatory. And that's the box. So read off some stats. 4K P60, 1440p by 120, 1080p by 240. Dimensions are there. I mean, you can see it is 112, I want to say mils. That's not centimeters, obviously. 112.5 millimeters by 66 millimeters by 20.9 millimeters. 85 grams. It's really small and light. If we compare it to my HD60, probably a tiny bit longer, almost the same length, slight bit thinner, depth probably about the same, if a little bit more. So they're fairly, but this is definitely lighter. Not that that makes a huge difference to me personally, but this one is definitely a bit lighter. All of your plugs are at the back here, like so. Audio in, audio out, USB 3, and your 2 HDMIs. Probably going to plug it in and see what we can do with it. I'm going to take this one out for now. Plug this one in and see what we can do. So, in the little booklet you get, tells you how you can get the Assist Central, which if you go to Aver Media's website, as you can see here, go to support, go to downloads and FAQs, it'll bring you to this, Assist Central. Download it, and it will bring up this, which will allow you to update firmware, hardware, software, la-di-da, all the wares. So you have this, which allows you to capture and record. You have your media shares up here, and then you got your settings up here. And you can check for your updates as well. Awesome.
Eliminate all Corpus threats. The enemy is broken. Well done. Now get to extraction.
as you can see, the game looks pretty crisp. Movement's nice and cool. In review, essentially, it was nice and easy. Opened up, plugged it in, figured it out. Simple. Once I downloaded the programming, updated the files, all good. Had a little bit of an issue with audio sync, which I was able to sort out pretty easily. If you need any help with audio sync, put it in the comments. I'll make a video about it and I'll tag you in it. But realistically, I would give this product a 4.5 out of 5. It was easy to plug in. It looked great. My only criticism, realistically, because even the audio issue I was able to sort out pretty easily, but my only criticism would be in its layout of these at the back. It's fine, it's great, but having this pointing, basically this is for the PC, this side. So you have the HDMI, the plug-in unit, the power unit, and you have a audio in cable as well. And then you have the HDMI out for your screen. Having that makes more sense to me. Just having that makes more sense to me. This is a great design. It is really easy. It is lightweight. Very, very good. I just think if that one, and that one were on this side, and then the out and out were on that side, that would make a lot of sense. And it's just the way it sits with the cables. The way it sits with the cables. So I have it underneath my desk, and then that bit would be faced towards the PC, or this bit would be faced towards the PC. That bit would be faced towards the computer, the console or whatever. This bit would be faced towards the monitor. Whatever, do you know what I mean? You know what I mean? I think that would be good. So 4.5 crowns. 4.5 crowns out of 5 is close to perfection. Really good piece of kit. I'll be using this on my Wednesday streams to play Warframe and other PS games. So if you're around on Wednesdays, you come watch me. I'll be able to use this and I'll be able to talk to you about it. So yeah, that's my coverage and review of the Aver Media Live Gamer Extreme 3. This bad boy here. And let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if it's something you'd like to purchase or get, or if it's something you're thinking about getting. I will put a link in the description for Aver Media and where you can find their other products. You've seen me do the capture card. There's the built-in capture cards as well. The control center, which I'm looking at that piece of kit. Other bits and pieces, there's some awesome bits and pieces on there for you to go look at if you want to look at those. They also do microphones, which, by the way, I'll be doing an unboxing of this bad boy really soon. The Live Streamer Mic 330. That's going to be the next unboxing and review. So keep an eye out for that.